everyone, welcome back. My name is Ranita and I like getting into makeup and lifestyle related content. Today I'm getting into my Glam bag and my Boxycharm, which did arrive a little later, I will admit. So I was hoping to do this sooner, like hopefully on the weekend, but it only showed up today, so you get it today. So let me start by going in with the theme, which is Passport to Glow for July 2024. This is what the postcard thingy looks like, and it basically says whether you're jetting off this summer or savoring a staycation, make every day feel like an escape with a new product stash that'll whisk you away to paradise no matter where you are in the world. And then of course there's all this stuff that you can go ahead and read about. Now I have done a spoilers video for July, so I'm kind of familiar with what's coming out, and I'm just going to take us through that. So as you know, IPSY Glambag is where you get 5 deluxe samples. So I'm just putting my envelope away so that I have a bit more space here. But basically it's the same thing. Like, this is the card that I've been given inside, and it's showing me a couple of things. The Watermelon Dream All in Cream. And then there's something called Pistachio. Wait, there was a perfume in here? I didn't know that there was a perfume. Oh my gosh, how did I not? I don't even know if I saw this like when I was doing my actual selection of products. So I'm a little bit disappointed because I would have loved that. It's a pistachio perfume. Oh my gosh, I would have loved that. Where was this? I did not see this. Okay, but anyway, it says vacay worthy makeup and first aid beauty. So if you want to go and read that, you can. And then it says Mega Drop Shop Edition from the 15th of July to the 28th, where you save 30 to 80% on the best in beauty. And then of course, yeah, so I'm gonna be honest, like when I was choosing my products, I wasn't super thrilled with all of the choices that I got. So anyway, let's see what they have given me in this bag. Alrighty. Ooh, okay, so I did get a couple of things. Oh, okay, I'm seeing something that I'm very happy about. Okay, so I got the Watermelon Dream by Dallas & James. This is a all-in-one eye cream. Okay, let's try it out, because, I mean, watermelon, yes please. Let's try it out right now. Ooh. Okay, so it's pink. Like, it's got this pink tint to it. So I'm just gonna take like a bit more onto my finger. So that's essentially what this looks like. And let's just put a bit here, because I literally just had my shower and then, stepped out of the bath, and I hadn't actually done my eye cream, and I was thinking, oh, I should go and do that. Not really getting the strongest smell of, I'm not really getting like a super strong smell of watermelon, so it's a little, Like, I'm really not getting the smell of watermelon. I'm like, is my nose not working? Because I mean, I do have chronic rhinitis, so sometimes I don't smell things, but I'm not getting a strong smell of watermelon. It's okay. It feels like something like you could take on holiday. I like the minis for holidays because I hate packing like full sizes, like when I'm going. So anyway, next I have 8 Saints Up the Ante. So this is an anti-aging night cream, which I will open up and check out. I don't think I've heard of this brand. It's called 8 Saints. And I don't think I even saw this in the spoilers, so it's a nice, I think I'm kind of happy not like seeing something that I was not expecting. So this has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptides, 15 ml. I think it smells okay. I'm not really getting like a strong smell from this. Okay, so I'll try that out later, because this is obviously like a night cream, and I literally just went and did my sunscreen, so I do not want to go and mess that up. Okay, next I have this, a Frankenbody Glycolic Body Scrub, which I believe I also got. I got something similar from them, like a tinier version, but it was pink. So this is basically with AHA and niacinamide. So it says acid exfoliation for clearer skin. I think I'm probably going to use this on my legs because I want to get rid of some strawberry skin that I have over there. Like when I came to North Carolina, it was just so dry, so freaking cold. My skin did not do well, and I got marks on my legs when I've never had marks on my legs. So I've been feeling like pretty bad about that. So anyway, this has glycolic acid clears, witch hazel, and yeah, niacinamide. So it seems okay. Like, yeah, I don't mind trying that out. Not the most exciting. I think I'm actually the most excited about this one because it's Bare Minerals, and I actually have a code with Bare Minerals, and I love trying out their products. I'll put the code on the screen if you ever want to go and get your own Bare Minerals products. But this is a complexion rescue bronzer. I'm honestly so excited about this one because I love Bare Minerals. It looks so pretty. Oh, so this is a blush and a bronzer. Oh, that is awesome. I love this. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try this out, like definitely in one of like the future looks. Like if you're subscribing, then you're gonna see this on the channel. I'm super excited about this. So that one is a win for me. And last, I've received like this brush from a brand called Neen. It's a double-sided brush. I've never heard of this brand. Yeah, you know, it's just for makeup application. So since I do use brushes quite a bit, I'm just going to take it out and show it to you. Since I do like to use, you know, like makeup brushes quite often, obviously. I kind of feel like it's on the cheaper end though, because after using like quite a few brushes, I kind of know what I like. And when I see a brush like this, I'm like, yeah, this is not the best quality that I've actually received. I actually feel, and I know a lot of people will agree with me, that the BH Cosmetics brushes were the best. They were the best. Like if you got to try BH, you were lucky. I have not seen a company like BH, you know, since BH, and that it really sucks, because I used to get like all my brushes from BH, and I'm really wondering what I'm gonna do after, you know, they actually get spoiled and they're not working anymore, because I just love them. Like, see, this is from BH Cosmetics. I had the entire, I still have it. I mean, I think I haven't cleaned enough of my brushes, but I got the entire like gemstone, you know, collection as well. And I just felt like their brushes were always the highest quality possible and the cheapest. So yeah, I tend to compare my brushes to things like, you know, P. Louise and stuff. Also really, really well made, perfect for cutting your crease and everything. So when you try stuff like that, and then you get something like this where you can see that the brush in itself, it's kind of not very even. You kind of end up feeling like, yeah, this is not necessarily the best one, but you know, it'll do, I guess. Okay, so let me just put my brush over here. Alrighty, so now that we've done Glambag, I want to get into Boxy. So I just need to open this up because I didn't open it up and it is sealed over here. So yeah, we're just going to do an unboxing today. Maybe try out a couple of products. Let's see how that goes. The eye cream kind of has settled nicely, I feel, into my skin. That's the one that I just tried out from Dallas and James, but I honestly didn't smell watermelon at all, so I'm kind of like, okay, like I wonder how that goes. Okay, so here is what they have given me. This is the Passport to Glow, so you get it in a bigger form, obviously. It says all the same things essentially, but different products. So let's see what they've given us here. Okay, so they've mentioned the Fenty perfume. There's a Beauty Evolution powder here, cleansing mask by that African Botanics brand, which was $85, and I remember seeing that in the spoilers and thinking like, holy crap, that's expensive. And then we have all these other things over here. So this is all from Mega Drop Shop though, so okay. And then there's IPSY's Beauty and Creator Awards. So anyway, the dates are, they only have 2 dates to remember, so it's basically the sale that they're having, and then they're moving already into August over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so August, I'm actually pretty surprised about this because, yeah, like the icon box is Chrissy Teigen, and I mean, I'm not someone who keeps up with all the celebrity gossip, but I have heard a few things about this individual that have made me go cringe. So I'm quite surprised that I'm seeing her and John Legend. Yeah, that's okay. Well, let's see what they give us. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to get into my products now. And if you want to know the August, you know, spoilers that are coming up, then stay tuned for that one in my next video. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow, okay. I'm already seeing 3 things that I like, so I'm pretty happy. Okay. Alrighty, let's get into each one. Okay, so this is the first thing that I saw, which is the Innisfree sunscreen. Now I'm actually really happy about this. I've actually been getting so many Innisfree products lately. Like I got the moisturizer, right, like I think 2 boxes ago, and I tried that and I really liked it. That was the green tea one. I was so happy with that, and I'm so excited about this one because this one, it has no cast. It's a sunscreen and summer, so perfect. Very, very happy with this one, and I'm honestly so excited about this. I didn't think I was gonna get such a nice one, so yeah, I'm really happy with this one. I'm going to try this sunscreen later because I think if I keep layering, I'm going to have a lot of pilling. I'm using Herbivore Botanicals Starseed sunscreen today, and as you can see, it looks lovely. It makes my skin glow. Definitely one of my favorite sunscreens. It's really just how you make it work for your skin, because if you use it with certain products, then you know it's gonna pill. If you use it with other products, it doesn't pill. So I've kind of figured out like what works with it, and I'm just sticking with that. So usually I just go in with my Tatcha. Tatcha is something I use quite regularly, and it works really well for me. Now I'm really happy about this one because I got the Fenty perfume. I'm so excited. Here's the fascinating thing though, I actually chose the Fenty perfume for my purchase stuff, so I actually ended up getting two, so that I do find that a bit funny, but I'm still happy nonetheless. I mean, I get to try this out a bit earlier. I love the packaging. I really wasn't expecting like a blue packaging, so that's so pretty. Oh, it smells lovely. I'm getting like fruity smells from this one. I like it. This honestly smells like kind of floral, and I also kind of get like a musky thing going on. So I'm just gonna go and find online like what the notes are, and okay, right, and let me scroll down. I just got it. So this says warm floral scent. Yeah, I'm definitely getting that, because I kind of felt like this can be a summer scent, so I do like that. And it comes across as uniquely apparently on each wearer. Oh, that's nice. So anyway, this is Magnolia, Musk, Tangerine, and Bulgarian Rose. Okay. I'm not really smelling, I can't really smell like the rose. Like I'm really not smelling the rose, but I'm definitely getting like a bit of musk, and I got that floral thing. And I got like a very, like I did get a bit of fruit as well. So I'm kind of thinking that, yeah, that's probably the tangerine coming through as well. So this kind of is a very big perfume. I wasn't expecting 10 ml to look like this. I'm actually quite surprised that this is 10 ml. Yeah, this is huge. Like this would last for quite a while. So anyway, very happy with that one, obviously. Super happy about that one, actually. I'm actually enjoying my box, and I wasn't sure if I was going to. Next, I have this over here, which is the Il Maquillage Mascara. This is really funny because I literally purchased the same thing. So I'm getting doubles, yeah, this month. But basically, the mascara is looking really good too. I lift, I curl, and I lengthen, and I do need mascara because I just finished, I think, using one of the other ones from Benefit, so I really don't mind trying out a new one. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, damn it, it's a straight wand. Okay, I would have liked a curved one, but I mean, not that that's necessarily a bad thing, but my preference is curved. I will still use it though, because you know, one can never have too many mascaras. Okay, let me see what else I've received. This is the okay, so this is something that I don't really care about, and I remember seeing this even in my previous IPSY video. I was like, I don't really care about getting something for brow sculpting because I don't do this, so this is pretty much irrelevant to me. So let me open it and just show it to you, but I honestly am not really interested in this because I'm pretty okay with my brows. So this is what you get. You get a brush, and then you get the product, obviously, which is sitting underneath here. Take that out. Yeah, so this is it. It's a clear thing. I use my castor oil, and my brows pretty much stay in place, like, you know, the whole day. But then again, I don't have very thick brows. I've been growing out my brows using castor oil too, and you know, it's been pretty okay, and I'm happy with that. Okay, so this is the Wildflower palette, which I didn't really care to get at all because I honestly thought it was pretty, like, it was just a very boring color story for me personally. I mean, it is summer, but at the same time, it's kind of just not really my thing. So I think I'm more excited here by the skincare than the, yeah, like, I love the perfume. I wish that I had gotten that pistachio one, and I wish I had seen that there was a pistachio fragrance that was actually around, because I saw that and I was like, oh, I wouldn't have minded adding that on. So anyway, this is the palette. I'm just gonna open it up. Yeah, it's very basic for me. Like, this is extremely basic. Just look at that. So yeah, this is the color story. The shimmers, I'm just looking at the shimmers. They don't look like the high quality kind of, you know, shimmer that you would get from another brand. Like, it kind of looks just very basic. Let me just touch. Yeah, so this is kind of what the shimmers are like. So it's like a drier shimmer formula, which I'm not really interested in. So yeah, I don't really feel like this is going to be my palette at all. I'm probably going to give it away to someone, to a friend or something, let them enjoy it more than me, and I don't want to spoil it more than that. But yeah, that's basically that. So these are the products that I've gotten from my IPSY, and I like 3 out of 5, so I think that, you know, that's a win for me. And I think from the Glam bag, I really liked the Bare Minerals. I was okay with the eye cream as well. I think that's pretty okay. Glycolic body scrub, I'm gonna definitely try that one out because, like I said, I need that for my legs, so that was also fine. I think the only thing I really didn't like from my Boxy was the brush, because I felt like it wasn't the highest quality. So I didn't like the brush, I didn't like the brow lifting thing, and what is the other thing I didn't like? No, I think there was nothing else that oh yeah, and the palette, I'm holding it, and I forgot I was holding it. I was like, where is it? Like, where is it? Okay, it's in my hand. So anyway, yeah, didn't like that one. So I think for the most part, I think it was okay. So I think that my choices here as a creator were definitely better in some ways. So I'm just happy that I was able to get like a couple more products, you know, that I like. So I will say that I think this was not like a bad month for me personally for IPSY, but it's also not like the best month. But I can't complain because I'm really happy that I got the sunscreen and I got some products that I was really looking forward to. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for the spoilers, you know, for the next month that are going to be coming up. And if you'd like to see me test out some products and stuff, makeup, then please stay around because my cosmic brushes order just came in and they're sitting over there. If you are looking forward to seeing another person review the cosmic brushes, cool trolls and neutrals palette, then do stay around because I'm probably going to be getting into that this week. I'm trying to work on that and a few other things that are going on in my life, but you know, it's going to be fun. I have never tried cosmic brushes before. I'm very excited about that, and you know, I'm looking forward to the way that the shades are going to perform. And I thought it was really cool that the sleeves are actually like rounded. I don't think I've ever seen any company with that kind of packaging. So anyway, yeah, that's basically what you have to look forward to on the channel. You know, I have all of these things. I'm gonna get into my product photography and everything. So yep, you'll see that soon on the channel. Anyway, I hope you have a most wonderful week, and thank you for joining me for this Boxycharm and Glam bag unboxing. Let me know your thoughts on the products. You know, are you looking forward to anything this month? What is your feel of it? I know that on Reddit, a lot of people were a little disgruntled by this month and they canceled Beauty Boost and all of that because they weren't really happy with what they were getting, and I completely understand because I didn't really feel very excited by Beauty Boost. That was not like, I mean, you're paying extra money, right, to get like a more expensive product, and my general sentiment was from the stuff that I purchased, it was just that I felt that the add-ons were so much better than what I was actually getting in my box, and I wish that they had taken the add-ons and put them in my box because then I would have actually been happy. So it was a bit disappointing as a paying customer, but I think as a creator this was done much better. So I really do hope that you get a good box this month. So anyway, I will see you soon. Lots of love and take care. Bye-bye.